Example 5b says the sum is 11, 7, 18. Once they tell you the sum, you're going to use one of the sum formulas. It seems like the classes prefer this one because this is the first one I showed you. So that's fine. You can also use the version that has the a1 factored out. It's a1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. That's another version you can use. But let's go ahead and use this one. And since they told me the sum, this formula is in play, and we're going to put this number, 11, 7, 18, in for Sn. That's the sum. The first term is 3, so that's going to go in for A1. The common ratio is 5, so that's going to go in for R. We'll have everything in this formula except n, which is what they want, right? So we'll let Sn equal 11, 7, 18. Anywhere we see an A1, we're going to put in a 3. Anywhere there's an R, we're going to put a 5. Okay? Everything's in place. Let's solve for n. 1 minus 5 is negative 4, so I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 4. Okay? This is negative 4, so I'm going to multiply by negative 4. So let's go ahead and do that. What do you get? Negative 46,872. Right here. Negative 46,872 equals 3 minus 3 times 5 to the n. The next step will be to take away 3. Take away that 3 from both sides. You get negative 46,875 equals negative 3 times 5 to the n. Next, we'll divide both sides by negative 3, leaving 5 to the n by itself. So we're going to divide by this negative 3. We're going to get it out of there by dividing by negative 3. And that's where you should get 15,625. So 15,625 equals 5 to the n. So now you use a logarithm to find n. Do the log. Base 5 of 15,625. Whoopsies. Log base 5, go to the right, of 15,625. Okay, so that means there must be 6 terms in that series. N equals 6.